Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so first, let's go ahead and open up Roblox. And from here, click on the three dots on the left panel here and go to settings. Now once in here, go to privacy and you can scroll down to other settings, and here, who can make me a member of their private server, choose everyone, and below it, who can join me in experience, click on everyone, and who can see my inventory, choose everyone. Now after that, this is going to be automatically saved, so you can close this one and you should be able to join that server. But if you are still having that problem, it is maybe because of the experience itself. So check out the experience if it is set to private or public. So if it is set to private, then you need to message the administrator to grant you access to join that experience. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.